It won't.
Okay, we've just found a massive leak on the ceiling downstairs. Well, we found a massive leak and the ceiling's coming down downstairs. And there's one thing I hate. I've done quite a bit of plumbing. These ridiculous, stupid push fits. I absolutely hate them. I don't find them at all reliable. You cannot beat a good bit of copper, olive, and the screw fit. The pressure coupling, far superior. So I'm going to take all this off and drain it all just because of stupid plastic fittings. And they're both absolutely leaking downstairs. So I've got to drain radiator, take them off and redo them all again.
We repressurised the system, didn't we? And that just
system.
sort of like pushed it to the edge.
It's just off downstairs, isn't it? Yeah.
Well, do you want me to drain it downstairs?
No.
You can do.
Oh, well, Cat's come to give me a hand, look. Does that just come out the wall then? It did. Even that's nice. Right, so I'm just going to undo one. Not all the way, just enough. So it drains the system. It doesn't drain the system, it drains the radiator.
Just this radiator or
Yeah,
all of them?
no, just this one. Because we'll lose pressure in the system and then the water will
Pressure's
drop.
gone.
Pressure gone, is it?
Yeah.
That's
Do you want to hold it? Do you want me to get another one?
No, it's fine, it's fine. It's just cramped space. Not a lot in there now. I put my hands there. If you're not too sure, if you put your hands there, the water dribbles down your fingers. Look. So you're redirecting the flow. This has been. There's another one downstairs on the radiator, the valve's gone. How long's the central heating been in?
Well, this one we moved. So this is the newest.
What is it?
Flexi pipes, isn't it?
I'll just do that back up again. My fingers. Just empty that.
Funny thing about that radiator is though, it's the wrong way around, isn't it?
What do you want? You want the valve on this side?
It should be, yeah.
Well, you can't do that.
It's going in the wrong way around. You can't remember?
I can't remember. Long time since I did all this.
But it is the wrong way around.
No.
About 2 times worth.
Just keep draining it. And then I'll undo a bit of
Don't
this.
rush.
What you could do with is opening the air vent at the top.
I'll go and get the key. Yeah?
It's a small screwdriver actually, Jane.
I know where the key is, I don't know where a small screwdriver is.
The screwdriver in the pot on the windowsill where my wallet is.
There we go, it's flowing a bit quite well now.
Yeah.
Me too. Undo the
And this is where you do the
Indiana
Indiana
Jones.
Jones.
It's dirty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sure, we're not doing the whole lot.
Water can't flow up without a pump.
There's pressure though, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't think I can come off. Piece of crap. Oh. They got a little. You're supposed to push the.
Does it push off, does it?
They're push fits. They're bloody awful. Bloody hate them.
Do you want the other screwdriver?
They push. And what they do when they're up like this. There you go. You got that cloth?
Yeah.
Put that cloth over it for now. Yeah?
Yeah.
Bloody push fits.
Language.
Right. You know, bloody foot push fits.
Look. It's coming out, isn't it? That's some hot water through that.
Rubbish. Absolute bloody rubbish.
Well, it's been there a while.
Don't stick up for people.
It has.
I'll give that a clean in a second. I'll get that clean. I'm using a sponge which has got the green. What do they call that?
Scourer.
Scourer.
Do you want some of that wire?
My wool?
Mesh.
We've
My
got any,
wool.
have we? It should be enough.
Don't know where. The trouble in emergencies, don't know what stuff is.
Well, it's in they put my toolbox and it's right at the back of the garage. Right at the back. So you've got to put an olive on. No, you don't. You put your nut on first. Then we put an olive on. Which should be enough. That'll be it, you see. So we should be alright with that. That's clean. Right, other one. They're both leaking, look, see? They've both been leaking.
Just since we've upped the pressure.
There's not so much pressure, I mean, they're just a shit fit.
Oh, language.
Alright. Can't even get that up now.
So what's worn out? The plasticky bit?
Probably the seal, yeah. It's just got hot. But I just don't trust them. You know, you've got plastic mixed with... Is that one finished leaking? Copper, you know. I never have when they first came out. So my mate said to me, oh, you want to try these? They're really good. I mean, people have had the whole house done with them. They might be brilliant, but... No thanks. Old school.
So what are you replacing them with?
Copper. Pressure couplings.
Alright. We forgot to say, remove the radiator. Anyway. Just those bolts. He's got to get some emery cloth to clean them up properly. This is the panel. Hides the pipes. Remove that first. We're a bit of a hurry, really. You can see the radiator was there. We moved it over here years ago. But look at that gunk coming out of that radiator.
Repressurised the system, didn't I? I just cleaned these. Jane was right. I forgot that I'd actually did. I've bled all the radiators upstairs, and then I repressurised the system properly, so all the radiators were air free, and I think that's put a lot of pressure on. Don't need much, don't do too much.
We hadn't done it lately, had we?
No. Well, it's been alright because we've got a couple of repairs. You just need to keep an eye on it. We just noticed today, we went in the lounge and the ceiling was soaking with some of the Artex, which to Jane's pleasure was hanging off. And I'm not joking because it's awful stuff.
We had come a bit discoloured. We knew we got a bit of a drip there.
Got what?
We knew we got a bit of a drip there, so...
Yeah.
But it's something you don't do until you have to, isn't it?
And now we have to. A bit of an emergency repair. Right, so on goes the olive.
It won't take longer.
What?
Get rid of all the arctics downstairs.
No. And then oh, I'll go and get another spanner. Actually, I'm going to clean that a little bit more because they look like they're quite a long reach, those.
You've got a movable spanner there.
It's an adjustable, not an immovable.
I know. Mum went into the shop and asked for a movable spanner.
Oh, did she?
Yeah. So the bloke says, oh, you have to go next door.
Why? Because you have to
She
go
said,
move.
but it's a piano shop next door.
You got it right, didn't you? Right, so I'll take this off. Just go a little bit more with the cleaning. I will get another spanner. Not a movable one, an adjustable one. I think there's one downstairs in your
spanner?
Little pot. No, yeah, adjustable.
A small adjustable.
Yeah, there is, isn't there?
The one I've hidden. For emergencies. Okay,
Yeah.
well, I'll go and have a look. Okay.
2 removable spanners. How would you want to call them removable?
Adjustable. Well, you can do this.
Give it here. Right, I'm going to keep this one in that position. That one. Hold him still.
Do you want a monkey wrench?
No, no, no. There's only one monkey in this house and she's in her bedroom. Right, so the olive is on that one.
Wish I had longer arms.
Who?
Me.
Oh yeah, bugger.
What have we go for a while?
I can't even get down here, Jane, have we GoPro. Oh, bloody nails are sticking in my arm. Just do that.
So these ones are different to the other ones.
How do you mean?
These are copper.
These are proper pressure couplings. Copper on copper with an olive fitting. The other ones are just plastic pieces of rubbish. That's my opinion, and that's just my opinion.
I wonder who fitted them then.
I didn't. I did. Shut up. Fitted them. I'm going to go mega tight.
You haven't?
No, just barely so they grip, and that should be good.
Because the olives...
I'm going to put the radiator back on there.
The olives do the job rather than
Yeah.
over tighten.
Yeah, well they grip to the copper pipe.
Okay.
Woo!
Mommy aloe vera. What?
Crack my head.
What?
I gotta find what height you want.
It was second up, wasn't it?
Yeah. Right. So they're already in. So I need one of them. Right, what do I want? Figure out what I want then.
That was what's on it, yeah.
Yeah, that's right. It's a bit of a, it really is a bit of a crap design, I must admit. Right, where are we going?
To where it was before, you can see.
There, where it was before, yeah?
Yeah, dust.
That saves dust in it then, doesn't it?
You can go down one if you think it's better.
Yeah, that's fine. You couldn't pass my screwdriver, could you?
What is it?
I have no idea. Big
Okay.
one. Great big. You did it on purpose.
I didn't. I'm left-handed. I'm not left-handed, but...
Jen, I can't see.
You can look at it on the screen, look.
Alright, there you go. Just come across a bit. Hope it makes any bloody difference.
In a minute.
There we go. Oh, I forgot the ones on the bottom.
Two down, two to go. You can put them on anyway, can't you?
I don't know. I'll have a look. Thank you.
Well, treading on your toe. You put that radiator there anyway, in the way. It's going to make somebody sick watching this, look.
You're a pain in the arse.
I'm just trying to get closer, but you're in the way.
Oh, Jane. You're in one of those pathetic, stupid moods today, aren't you?
No! I love it. This lovely picture of the back of your head. Do you trust it?
Get. I'm not going to say.
Stuffed?
Yes.
Looks like a little man running. See that?
On. Right.
So they just perished.
I don't know. I just don't trust them. There's a rubber seal in it.
Come on, focus.
Oh, look at dripping on the floor, Jane. No.
It's alright, I'll clean it.
There you go. I just think it's I don't know, it's maybe not a poor design. Maybe it's just my judgment, but I don't like them. I don't like them.
So there.
I don't like them.
Here we go. Repressurising the system.
Go the other side.
So it comes right low down, look. Okay, see what happens. It says keep on going to the shouts. How are we doing? Do you want it to stop yet?
I don't know. Feel though. So I'm holding that. There's a pressurising the system.
Yeah.
Let the air in. Both pipes at the bottom are dry, so we'll test if they leak. And the art of this, and I know this might sound a bit sarcastic or a bit whatever, don't panic. It's not worth it. You start panicking. No!
It's only Artex. Got some water then?
We've got some water there, yeah. I have a sponge handy, it's always handy. That
She
sounds
stopped.
like she stopped it, so hold on a second. Give me just... That looks like it's coming out now. Yeah.
Was it on 1 or 2?
What's it on, Sal?
32.
Green.
It's on 2.
It's on 32.
She means the number that's
Oh, the
coming up
numbers,
on-
no,
rather
number.
than E19.
What's the pressure gauge on?
The middle.
Fine, okay. Let's have a look down here.
But it won't matter until It's hot, will
Well,
it? Really?
yeah, but there'll still be pressure in the system, so they're dry. Okay, let's whack this heating on. See if we can get the little baby.
Is there violence in the system?
There's no violence in this system. We're going to get violence in a minute. Right, shall I?
Looks a bit twisty.
Oh God!
Oh, come on, it does.
Oh, I can soon untwist if I've done it.
Oh, I've got that on there now. That looks very gungy, doesn't it? On the pipe at the back of it.
Yeah. Usually sometime, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you panic and you don't think it's getting warm, you've got to remember that once you,
Wait.
if you've bled it, then you've got water coming through, of course, because the pressure is building up. But that's getting toasty now.
So that one's hot and that one's not.
That one's not. So this one, yeah, that's just getting lukewarm. Let's just see.
It's getting through a bit then.
That's dry. Yeah, dry as a bone. You can see they've been leaking quite bad.
It's been making a lot of noise as well, but it's better. It's better now. Isn't it, Cat?
It's warm now. It's
Noisy cat.
getting hot everywhere now. Look. Quite like these.
Do
Isn't
you
it?
think about that kink?
Good towering rails.
Should I switch it off for now?
Why? Look at this. Do you want to turn it off and see what happens?
You're that kink there, don't
Yeah, that's fine. All right.
Well, you know.
Such a panicker.
I'm a panicker. Ah! Cat, stop eating the aloe vera.
I can do it, but I'll have to bleed some of the system again now. Okay, I just undid this very slightly. No water came out. I just turned the pipe with my fingers because there's a rubber washer behind here. It's sealed nicely, and I just tighten it back up again.
Is that rubber washer what you call an olive?
No, the olive is an olive, and our rubber washer is a rubber washer.
Okay.
Olive is.
I like olives. Here she is again. Energising. Okay, hopefully keep the pressure up. No more leakies.
I'm not going to put the wooden panel back on.
You're not. You're just going to.
No, one night, leave it over.
Alright.
We'll test it. Then I'm going to recycle them.
They don't look too bad, do they?
Do you want to use them?
No, obviously you can't tell they've been leaking. Oh, how do you
I
tell?
think the rubber. See, there's a rubber seal just inside. Can you see that?
It looks rusty.
Yeah, look at it. That's a rubber seal. No, look.
Is it perished?
Just useless.
Just popped out under pressure.
Someone will tell me different, tell me off, but I don't care.
Well,
I always
they
get,
needed replacing.
I always get told off.